An outdated Walmart app is one of the most common reasons people see checkout bugs, missing features, and payment errors that disappear immediately after updating. By the end, you'll know how to check your current app version, update it correctly on Android and iPhone, and fix it when the update button doesn't show. Here's the simplest way to do it. First, check if you actually need an update. Open the Walmart app and go to your profile or settings area. If the app looks different from what you see in the App Store listing, or features aren't working, that's usually a sign your version is outdated. Now update it based on your device. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Walmart data. If you see an update button, tap it. If it only shows open, your app is already on the latest version available. On Android, open the Google Play Store and search Walmart data. Tap the app page and look for Update. If it's not there, the app is already updated, or your device is set to auto-update. If you don't see an update option but still have issues, here's what to do next. First, restart your phone after checking the App Store. This clears temporary cache that can make the app behave like it's outdated even when it isn't. Next, check your storage space. If your device is nearly full, updates may not install correctly or may fail silently in the background. Another fix is uninstalling and reinstalling the Walmart app. This forces a full fresh install with the latest version instead of patching an old one. When you reinstall, make sure you log back into the same Walmart account so your order history and payment methods sync correctly. The key idea is simple. Walmart app issues usually come from version mismatch, and updating or reinstalling fixes most problems tied to checkout, pickup, and payment features. To sum it up, you should always check the App Store or Play Store first. Restart your device if something feels off, and reinstall if updates don't appear. Next step is simple. Open your App Store right now and check if the Walmart app shows an update button so you know you're running the latest version. If you want more Walmart app fixes explained in a clear step-by-step way, subscribe for quick guides that solve real issues without confusion.